So we've done the night bus. Part of the hop on hop off buses, you get a trip on like a non-stop trip on the buses. So I've done that. It's a bit cold. Sit upstairs. It's pretty good. Right, we've just done the nighttime tour and we're now in a little, what's it called? Bagel shop?
No.
What is it?
Cinnabug.
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 Cinnabug. They sell all this stuff. Oh, Auntie Annie's. Auntie Annie's.
That's all crap there then.
That's nice to me.
What they actually said is that.
Oh, that's nice. Look, these are what
Yeah, that's crap. That's what they actually said.
What's that here then? So I want churros.
Yeah, churros, yeah.
What are these?
Cinnabugs.
Cinnabugs?
What, chuck some of them as well?
No, I just want those churros. They do like sauce.
Get it up in.
Right. I fancy something to drink. What have they got to drink there? I can smell that. So last night in New York, back to the hotel, have a beer in bed, ready for a little adventure in the morning. It's the last night now in New York. We're packing our bags tomorrow, heading to Stanford, pick up the car, got to get on the train, and then Philadelphia. So we're heading back to the bar first. Have a bite to eat and a couple of beers, pack our bags ready for the morning. I'll see you soon. Alright, I'm sitting in the hotel lobby, as they call it in America. Quick couple of drinks before I go up to the room, and then early night. It's 10 o'clock early night. It's been a really, really busy 4 or 5 days in New York. I'll update in due course, give you some more information about it, but it's been fantastic, absolutely brilliant. Weather's pretty good, cold but clear skies and nice. I'm shattered. And tomorrow we've got to do a little car journey and then a train journey. And we're going to go to Philadelphia first, and then we're going to travel, pop over to Washington. I'll do some separate videos about that and I'll let you know at a later date about that. So I might see you in the morning. If not, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. But I'll probably just catch you in the morning on the little travels and that. So I might put that in another video or this video, I'm not sure yet. I'll catch you soon, people. Ta-da. Back to the room. Absolutely shattered. We're all shattered. It's been such a bloody... Oh, it's been a great weekend. Well, a few days.
26th floor.
It's been a great trip. 4 or 5 days in New York. God. You need to do it while you're bloody young. God, it's done me in. Well, I'm not young, but so tired. Incidentally, most of the hotels in the area that we looked at were all pretty much the same price. So this Hilton is bang into Times Square, everything around it. Fantastic location, so it's well worth a visit.